Alright, so now we're going to fire up the Lodge Sportsman's Grill. I've got it modified with the little gas burners inside. And we'll top it off with our Wagner Ware long griddle. And we're going to put some bacon on there because, hey, everything goes better with bacon. Now, I'd originally saw this recipe on Instagram. I forget who had done it, but it was a fad some years ago. So figured, why not? Let's give it a whirl. Now what we're finding is the cook grate gets it up too high, so we're having to run the burners really high. So we're going to try to lower the griddle down and open the front doors so the heat can come out the front there, and that seemed to work a whole lot better for what we were wanting to get done. Now we're going to do the smash burgers. This is just some 80-20 ground beef with a little bit of Worcestershire sauce and onion flakes. Made little balls. Set them down on the hot griddle. Put a little parchment paper down and smash pretty thin. Give it a few minutes, about a minute or so, and then flip. And of course top with the American cheese there, yeah. And then we're going to lay an Uncrustable down to with the bacon grease and the burger grease to get a little toasting action. You see that there? And let's get ready to go plate. What do you think? You didn't even get the burger. You didn't even get the burger. Like Rusty just got half of it. Oh no.
My mouth isn't that big.
I like the sweetness of the jelly. I am not a fan of the peanut butter at all.
I like it.
Maybe done better. If it was grape, it would be better.
So grape jelly need to be... Do you like the peanut butter in the burger?
Yeah. Thanks for watching. There's tools in cooking. Did you have fun? Did it taste good? Rock on. You guys are awesome. We'll see you guys next week. Bye, guys.